Hi, this is Juan from Danfoss Tech Support in North America. In today's video, we're going to cover how to build a calculation in System Manager, model number 8K-SM800, to create a control input using cut in, cut out, and digital inputs.
This video is a continuation of our cut in, cut out calculation video. To watch that video, visit the link in the description below. For units, we'll still be selecting OI, the digital signal, and the style will stay as cut in/out. Please note that the style will later be converted to latch once the digital input gets added in. The description will still be the exhaust fan. In this example, the data point type SI1, standing for sensor input 1, will still be the sensor in the compressor room. Number 2 and number 3 will be our cut in and cut out limit respectively. We'll now be adding two more data point types, OI4 and logic 5. OI4 will be the digital signal from the leak detector. To add a new line, press to insert new line here. And logic 5 will be as followed. The data point will be OI4. The operator will be equal. And the last data point will be off. We'll have to modify our if true statement now. To start, double-click on a line below. For first and second types, we will assign AND as our operator and logic 5 as our data. We will also add one more type, ON. And for last data point type, we will assign OI4. Now, our if true statement will be as followed. When SI1 reading is greater than number 2, our cut-in limit, and logic 5 is true, the result will be on. When SI1 reading is less than number 3, our cutout limit, and logic 5 is true, the result will be off. When OI4 is on, the result will be on. The calculation is now complete, and we can assign this calculation as a control input to our exhaust fan relay.
Thank you for watching our video. For more technical documentation and videos on our System Manager, please visit danfoss.com/supermarket support.